Okay, so we're going to take a look at another question. This one comes from the 2023 HSC Advanced Maths paper. So this is question 31 in the test paper, so this is quite late in the paper. So we're told 4 Year 12 students want to organise a graduation party. All 4 students have the same probability PF of being available next Friday. All 4 students have the same probability PS of being available next Saturday. And then we're given P of F, PSF, and PFS. We're told Kim is one of the 4. We're then asked, for part A, is Kim's availability next Friday independent from his availability next Saturday? Well, this is essentially a question about definitions. It is independent in the case where P of F is equal to P of Fs. This is the condition for independence. Now, given that P of F is 3 on 10 and P of F given S, or PFS, is 1 on 8, these are not equal, so therefore no. This is not independent. And this is the answer to part A. So now let's take a look at part B. So we've got show that the probability that Kim is available next Saturday is 4/5. Okay. So here we need to find PS. And we have a few formulas that we can use here. We can use PSF is equal to P of S intersection F over P of F. And we can also use P of Fs is equal to P of S intersection F over P of S. Now you notice both of these have an unknown value in them, which is PS intersection F. We know PS intersection F is equal in both of them, so we could rearrange both of these for that variable. So this would give us our first equation being PS intersection F is equal to PF times PSF. Our second equation would then be PS intersection F is equal to PS times PFS. We can set these equal. This will give us PF times PSF is equal to PS times PFS. We have all of these except for P of S, which is what we're trying to find. So we can rearrange this. This gives us P of S is equal to P of F times P of SF divided by P of Fs, and we can just plug everything in. So we know, we were told in the question P of F is 3 on 10, so we have 3 on 10 times SF, we're told is 1/3, and this is all divided by Fs, which we're told is 1/8. These 3's cancel, so this gives us 1 on 10 over 1 on 8, invert and multiply, this is 8 on 10, this is 4/5. And this is the answer we're after, and this is the probability of S. So we'll do the final part in a separate question, but I'll go through the marking for these two. So the first one, you're pretty much getting the mark for the correct reasoning. So you're stating that those two fractions are not equal and therefore they're not independent, and that's it. Now for part B, you'll get 1 mark for attempting to use conditional probability formulas or something else that's equivalent. So you get 1 mark for this sort of setup or something equivalent to this but not having quite the right answer. But to get the second mark, you'll need to have used the conditional probability formulas in conjunction with having got the correct answer. So you'll need the 4 on 5. 4 on 5 is the way that the paper actually presents this answer. The question was denominated in terms of fractions, so it should be unsurprising that the answer can be written in a fraction. You could write it as a decimal or a percentage as well, and that should be acceptable. The paper does it in terms of fractions though. So this is how we do question 31 A and B from the 2023 Advanced Maths paper.